today we've taken a trip over to Yokohama to check out the Gundam statue while it's still here for another year. But first thing we're gonna do is have breakfast and eggs and things. Ready for breakfast? Yes, always in the morning. We can do a selfie if you want. Oops, that's a video, isn't it?
No, say something now.
Hi.
This group is number 1, group 1. So There you go.
Chase, you ever see the game Grumps where the dad's like, I'll be Big Zam? It's like Big Zam.
Gonna be Big Zam!
You're gonna be Big Zam?
Big Zam!
Mada ikari ni moeru toshi ga aru nara kyodai na teki o uteyo 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 seigi no ikari o butsukero Gundam kidou senshi Gundam Gundam yomigaeru 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 Gundam kimi yo tsukame inga e mukatte tobe yo Gundam kidou senshi Gundam Gundam
Is that awesome or what? Do you think this guy's too happy to be hanging out with a spider crab, Jace?
Yeah, you can make friends with anyone.
I guess. An extremely hot day out here in Yokohama, so we went to the Sea Paradise. Nice relief to get away from the heat. It's plenty cool here, lots of water.
You think we'll find Fishman here?
Fishman? Yeah, Fishman, yeah, okay, sure. Jellyfish everywhere. Whoa. Metroids, hey? The last Metroid is in captivity. The galaxy is at peace. Did that one explode or something? I guess it just looked that way. Shibuya Scramble Crossing is the world's largest pedestrian crossing, with up to around 3,000 people crossing every 2 minutes. It is an iconic part of Tokyo, seen in films such as Lost in Translation, The Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift, Resident Evil Afterlife, and Resident Evil Retribution. It is also seen in video games like The World Ends With You, Bayonetta 3, and 428 Shibuya Scramble. Almost anything set in Tokyo is likely to feature this crossing.
So busy. So busy.
And now, Jason and I get to include it in this Japan trip. Taito Station sure is neat, but we couldn't play games at the moment since we were really just killing time until our dinner reservation. I know we'll be stopping by Akihabara later, so I'm sure we'll be playing games then.
Orange juice.
Grapefruit? Okay, arigato.
There you go.
Kumachan Onsen is the name of this quirky restaurant, but also translates to Teddy Bear Hot Spring. Basically, teddy bear shaped collagen jelly is put into the pot with some water, so it looks like a bear taking a bath. But instead of being cleansed and soothed, the broth bear is disintegrated into soup, with which you can cook meat and vegetables in. Is it cute or cruel? The resulting shabu shabu hot pot meal is definitely delicious, not malicious. Another thing that's probably too cute to eat. Or it's cute, but it's disturbing to eat it. After dinner, we headed back, which took us by Shibuya Scramble Crossing once more, so we stopped to watch it from the second floor of the nearby Starbucks, one of the busiest in the world, as it has a good vantage point of the crossing. Even though it's literally just a crosswalk, it's an iconic image of Tokyo, and it marks the almost halfway point, as we have now completed 5 out of our 10 full days in Japan. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By subscribing and hitting that notification bell, you won't miss out on my videos. And there's more to come on John and Jason in Japan. On day 6, we do a little bit of geeky shopping, eat some Pokemon, and visit a possible site for the future robot uprising. I'm just kidding. I hope. See you next time on John and Jason in Japan.